Hey everyone, welcome to today's book review of Mate, Become the Man Women Want by Tucker Max and Geoffrey Miller. This book literally provides you with a step-by-step plan for self-improvement and how to start attracting women to you. It is so chock full of useful information that I'm breaking this review up into 2 videos. This video will break down their 5 principles of mating success, what works and why, and the second will take you through the author's 5-step process so that you can start taking action and attracting women immediately. And if you're looking for more book reviews, advice on dating and relationships, and general self-improvement, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Now let's go over the 5 principles of mating success. Principle number 1. Make decisions with science, not bias. The problem with most of the dating advice out there is that it's often based on traditionalist, sex-negative views or how someone thinks dating and relationships should work rather than how they actually do. While there is a lot we don't know, the field of human sexuality and mating is slowly growing and can offer insights for successful attraction and relationship strategies. Thinking critically, testing hypotheses, assessing evidence, engaging feedback isn't just something researchers do in labs, it's also something you should do in your mating life. Dating isn't a simple X plus Y equals Z formula, but if you can learn and master basic principles of attraction and relationship building, test to see what works and what doesn't, and be able to reflect on your results, then it will already put you way ahead of most of the people out there. Principle number 2. Account for the woman's perspective. Trying to attract women without understanding them, who they are, what they want, what they're attracted to, is like heading out into the wilderness and trying to find your way without a map or compass. Generally, men and women think about and approach dating in different ways. The better you understand women, the more successful you'll be in dating. Women seek different sexual experiences and relationships under different conditions. They tend to look for key traits such as physical health, mental health, intelligence, kindness, etc. And they are especially attuned to the threat of sexual harassment, stalking, unwanted pregnancies, and other potential threats. Are you aware of what kind of signals you're putting out? Are they valuable traits or warning flags? And then do you know where women go to meet men? Being able to understand how women perceive you will enable you to adjust your approach and make sure you're in the right place at the right time. Principle number 3. Your own attractiveness. This book is a guide, but you will have to do the work. This means taking a hard, honest look at yourself and taking personal responsibility for your life, choices, habits, mate value, character traits, and attractiveness to women. Are you bringing your best self to your dates or to the women you approach? Are you aware of the areas you should improve upon? You have to put in the work to make yourself healthier, more sociable, and more attractive. It will be hard, but it will also lead to a better life overall as you gain confidence, social skills, attention from women, and more. Principle number 4. Be honest with yourself and others. Honesty is the foundation to self-improvement and amazing relationships. It builds your social status, cuts out drama from your life, and strengthens the foundation of your friendship and relationships. While lying reduces your long-term mating success, generally makes you feel like shit, and causes people to distrust you. This book is not about moralizing, but simply stating that an honest, ethical approach to mating and life is the best in the long term. There are plenty of people out there who are looking for the same things that you are. You simply need to put the message out. Principle number 5. Play to win-win. Seducing, hooking up, and dating are not zero-sum games. The if I win, you lose mentality is actually counterproductive when you're looking to attract women. Instead, you should strive for a win-win relationship, where both of you walk away with some benefit. As the authors put it, if human mating wasn't mostly a positive-sum game that yielded win-win experiences and relationships, then neither sex would agree to play the game in the first place. You don't have to trick women into hooking up with you or dating you. Think of relationships, dating, and hooking up as finding women who want the same things you want. And then when you're honest about your intentions, you may be surprised to find that there are women out there that will align exactly with what you're looking for. There you have it, the 5 principles of mating success. Check out part 2 of this review for the 5-step process in dating to learn what actions you'll need to take to start putting yourself out there and attracting women. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, remember to be primo.